What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. If you're new here, I make fashion, fitness, and lifestyle content, so definitely consider subscribing so you don't miss an upload. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you my productive but still relaxing winter night routine. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And actually, really quick, let me know something that is a must in your night routine, because I'm always looking to improve mine. Anyway, to start off this beautiful night, we are going to make some dinner. I do try to eat in during the week, and then I eat out more on the weekends. I actually found this fire recipe on Pinterest for like a honey glazed air fryer salmon, so I thought we would make that tonight because it just sounded really delicious to me. This is the salmon that I'm going to be using, this Trader Joe's barbecue cut fresh Atlantic salmon. It's actually really good. I actually just recently got back into using my air fryer, but I am completely obsessed again because it just makes cooking so much easier. But I just put the salmon in the basket and I'm going to season it with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. That is what the recipe says to do. Excuse the air fryer in the background, but I'm just gonna make some of this jasmine rice on the side. I did want to make a veggie, but I just feel like it's gonna take too long, so we're just gonna stick with the rice. But I'm gonna make this 3-minute rice, super quick and easy. Just kidding, I found a solution. We're just gonna add some avocado. She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see. See, Jane, why you staring out the window? I feel like this salmon is humongous, but that's just like the only size that was in the package, so whatever, more for me, I guess. And if you guys did see my last video, I just got these bowls on Amazon and I'm literally obsessed with them now. They've been making me want to cook so much more because I feel like they just make any dish look super nice. Like, this looks straight up from a restaurant. 10 out of 10, guys. That was so good. I ate it so quickly, but I'm gonna have some dessert now because there's just, you can't not have dessert. So I'm having dark chocolate covered pretzels. You guys already know I have hair in my mouth, but going to eat these. Okay, now I'm just gonna do like a 10 to 15 minute cleanup of my kitchen. It's usually the messiest because of cooking. I just really can't stand waking up to a messy kitchen with like tons of dishes in the sink. It is just not a vibe. She's a lover like a pipe bomb. She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels, don't walk it out. Now, Jane, what you doing in the backseat? I always thought you were a front seat Cadillac burning up. Doesn't this just look so much nicer? I mean, not those dishes. I wish those were put away, but they're drying, so I will do that later. I personally just feel so much more motivated when I have a clean space, so I feel like this is a really important part of my night routine, and whenever I skip it, I severely regret it. And I usually look around the rest of my apartment just to see if there's anything else that I can put away. Plus, my boyfriend and I do clean my cat's litter box every night because she hates when it's messy. Yeah, those are the cleaning tasks I like to do before bed so that I can wake up to a really clean and motivating space. And it really doesn't take long at all. Like I said, if you just focus like on cleaning for just 10 to 15 minutes, trust me, you'll be so happy you did when you wake up to a nice clean space. Like, there's just nothing better. Something I look forward to every night is turning on my Salt Rock lamp and my Galaxy lights because they really just set such a mood in here, which I freaking love. If I could turn this on, that looks so good. Like, come on, this is such a beautiful mood. I'm actually going to read like 25 pages of this book that I'm reading called Only Love is Real. This is the time that I like to read because I feel like it's super quiet. This is such a vibe. I just try to make a little progress in my book every day so that I can finish it.
mainly playing with my baby because she always gets the zoomies at night. So we usually play for a little bit just to like tire her out so that she doesn't wake me up in the middle of the night, but she probably still will. So her favorite toys are this shoelace. She likes it when I put it in the middle of the couch crack. She's gonna go crazy. Get it? Oh my, aww. Now for another favorite part of my night, which is just removing all of my makeup. No matter how tired I am, I always remove my makeup. Even when I am like literally falling asleep, I like force myself to get out of bed and take off my makeup because it will really make you break out if you don't. So, you know, it's very important. Now for the last two steps of my skincare routine. Sometimes I skip this one, but right now I'm breaking out. So I'm going to apply some Mario Badescu drying lotion. My left side is really breaking out, and then my right side is just completely clear. Like, all right. Last step in my routine is to apply this Laneige sleeping mask. It makes my lips super soft. Just change into some pajamas. No bra, no problems. Am I right? I always sleep in like an oversized t-shirt and some booty shorts, just something super comfy and something that I won't get super hot in. I wanted this to be very in-depth, so I don't know if this is TMI, but I'm taking my birth control right now. I always take it at night. I also just recently added a second round of stretching to my night routine. So I always do it in the morning, but now I'm also doing it at night because I have a huge goal, as you guys may know, of touching my freaking toes. So I feel like I needed to up my stretching in order to get to that goal. Now I'm gonna write out my to-do list for tomorrow. I do this every night before bed. It just gives me way more structure and helps me be a lot more productive with my time because I know exactly what I need to be doing. Random tip, but like I always write down tasks that I usually would forget. So I write down like stretching, drink water, like these random tasks that, you know, you think you would remember, but usually end up forgetting. So I just put a little kind of reminder on my to-do list and it really helps me. So yeah, that is my little tip that I think is helpful, honestly. I use this app called Do and it literally just looks exactly like a to-do list, but I like having it on here because then I can access it like anywhere that I am. I don't have to remember a piece of paper. Plus, you can also just cross it off kind of just like a to-do list, so it's still satisfying. And often we're gonna end off the night watching some Rick and Morty. I know that's not the best way to end off the night, watching a TV show, but it's just what we like to do. We should probably work on improving that, but yeah, that is basically my whole night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to show as much of it in detail as possible, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Good night.
Good night.